Experience a scenic float through the heart of the Chilkat Bald Eagle Preserve. Your adventure kicks off with a high-speed catamaran cruise. 45 minutes of stunning views along North America's longest and deepest fjord. Waterfalls and ice-sculpted peaks provide a stunning backdrop on your cruise to Haines. Upon arrival in Haines, board a comfortable motor coach for a scenic 40-minute drive up the Haines Highway. Once at the preserve, you'll meet your experienced rafting guides who will brief you on safety and help you gear up for the float. Glide along the river in 18-foot inflatable rafts, providing the perfect vantage point to spot eagles and other wildlife. The preserve is not only rich in wildlife, but showcases incredible natural beauty, towering mountains, hanging glaciers, and beautiful wilderness, waiting for you to come and explore.